It's the weekend!
Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it.
Hello, this is Kid Rockstar, and you're tuned in to the heart of the city. Welcome to Megapolis FM. Now for the main thing, have you ever seen the server administration respond to complaints? I've been waiting for 3 months for them to fix the bug with the cars flying into space.
Feels like it's just right. Call it fate, call it chance, but I'm in this lucky dance. I can't bring me down. Every turn I take, I wear the crown. Fortune's in my hands, I feel the spark. Living in the light, fear of the dark. Got the cards in the hole in my head. Luck and fate, it's a part of the plan. I'm rolling high, luck on my side, it's just meant to be. light, I find my light. Chasing the speed, I'm burning the ground. Feel the rush, hear the sound. Every march, hear the sound. Every mile, I'm flying high. On the edge, I touch the sky. No slowing down, I'm built to run. With every turn, the race begun. Chasing the speed, I'm alive tonight. In the thrill of the ride.
Hi, this is Kid Rockstar, your guide through the concrete jungle, and you're listening to Mega Paul. Let's turn it up. All over game administration.
Это, как правило, без лишних фраз. Все, что ценил, дым в кулаках. Это был путь, вот он шел не сразу. Жили как есть, не про кайф и флекс. Отсутствие мира, лишь временный стресс. Я верил, что кто-то выше расписал. Этот день мне мой шанс на финал. Мое потом наряда сейчас. Не было выбора, но был этот шанс. В той квартире тяжко в душе. Я кидал рэп на мой
不喊口号，只看动作，心中有力，怀中藏着，谁不问就跟我，地下巅峰，向谁的线，就数关键，别想炫耀，没人听你，一步一句，全身应对，站稳线，没有退，自由阵。向前冲，不回转，节拍累，心不乱，跳进来，站稳线，没有退，自由阵。向前冲，不回转，节拍累，心不乱。每一步都是赌注，没人冲击的条路。操作没灯光也能报复，眼里有真实火，心跳都像警报。如果你不跟节奏，这是离开最好走。面具戴上看不穿，每个兄弟我都想。不看你们每次才会让我讲这个真。跳进来，站稳线，没有退，自由站。向前冲，不回转，节拍累，心不乱。跳进来，站稳线，没有退，自由站。向前冲，不回转，节拍累，心不乱。
Kane here on Rockhammer Radio, where rock is life and the streets don't forgive the weak. Got caught by the cops? Simple choice. Pay the fine or head to jail. But if you end up behind bars, don't panic. There are ways to earn cash as a loader, negotiate with the Rockton, or shorten your sentence by watching videos. And if you've got real homies, let them blow up the floor in the bathroom, and you're free again.